Hey, this is Andrew Plies with MarineMax here in Cumming, Georgia. Here to show you the SPX 210 by Sea Ray. This model is a 2024 model, so we'll do a quick walkthrough and kind of show you some features and benefits of the SPX 210. So starting off here on the swim platform, we do have this flip down swim platform. So this will sit about a foot beneath the water, so it really helps out on getting on and off the boat when you're out swimming. We also have this tucked away ladder, as well as our really spacious sun pad. So if you just want to hang out, catch some rays, watch the kids swim, we can definitely do all that back here. So moving forward into the cockpit, we do have a couple storage compartments. For a 21-foot boat, this boat has an amazing amount of storage, so it's pretty surprising for a 21-foot boat. So we have a storage compartment here, as well as our battery switch. Moving forward through the walkway here, we have another storage compartment, and then we also have storage under all the seating here. So moving forward into some of our cockpit chairs, this is a forward or aft and bow face seating, so it's definitely adjustable, so we can just lift it up here, lock it in back. You can sit, watch the kids play, watch the kids tube. Really nice adjustability with that seat there. And if you want to sit forward, just put it back, lock it down, and you're sitting forward. This particular model is equipped with our water sports tower as well as our bimini, so we can do a little bit of water sports on here, whether it be skiing, wakeboarding, the whole 9 yards. So here in our cockpit chair, this boat is equipped with a Mercury 200 horsepower motor. So this particular model does have a Simrad display and an upgraded Fusion audio system with a subwoofer. Moving forward into the bow area, we have another storage compartment. Like I said, for a 21-foot boat, there's a massive amount of storage here. Storage underneath all of the bow seating as well. And for, like I said, for a 21-foot boat, I'm 6 foot tall and I can fit up here just fine. So really spacious boat for a 21-footer. If you'd like to come see this boat, visit us here at MarineMax in Cumming or visit us online.